Alright guys, welcome back to Catch Another Buzz with your cuz. Now we are coming off of a very successful Valentine's Day, at least for us. I don't know what it means to you. I saw Teresa setting up some strawberries and chocolate. I started saying to myself, that'd be great to just kind of eat those, but there is a cocktail challenge going around that requires a strawberry garnish. No, I'm sorry, it requires a chocolate garnish. Ours happen to be chocolate covered strawberries. So let me show you how we're gonna make this drink. I'm going to name it the Passion Igniter. Just something that you could have at the end of the night and relax and enjoy and reminisce and think about all the good times. And take it to the old school, fool. So I will say my Northeast connection, Tri-State Brother-in-Arms, Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, is one of the channels that are sponsoring this hashtag. So is Rob over at Rob's Home Bar and our friend Dave at Booze on the Rocks. They're our Canadian brothers-in-arms. Get started on this drink and don't forget to check out everybody's channel. Don't forget to visit the hashtag LovePotion2022. It's in our description, it's in the title bar, it's on everybody else's stuff. There's a lot of great videos. I've seen a couple of them already. So I think now would be a great time to do the shopping list. I know some of you guys like that. We're gonna need vodka. I'm using Svedka, 5 times distilled. It's pretty grain neutral spirit, so not much flavor, which is exactly what we need, because we're also gonna have some peach schnapps. We want to make sure that our peach is really focused. And you could use cranberry juice. Today I'm going to use cranberry cherry because I like a little bit of the additional tartness, especially with the strawberry on top. So we're going to go cran cherry juice, and we're going to top it off with a little sour mix. So it's a really super simple drink. We're going to fill the shaker with ice, and then we're going to shake it up a bit. Yeah, it smells just like rubbing alcohol, just like any good vodka. Ounce and a half, folks. In the shaker. There it is. Perfect. We get our peach schnapps here. And we're going to go with an ounce. 1 ounce peach schnapps. Man, does that smell good. You hear that? Look, 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 look. One ounce peach schnapps. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Now we're gonna go 3 ounces of our cranberry or cran cherry in this case. Sometimes I wait until the glass is filled, but we just want a splash of sour mix. And what do we do now? Shaker engaged. Get fancy with it. Hold my beer. Maybe we should shake and bake. Shake and bake. Very dangerous. Woohoo! That is cold. Nothing like a couple of tricks. Make it dangerous. Careful, friends. Now, before I pour this, part of this cocktail challenge is also to make sure that our drink is red or pink. Let's see what we got. I have a small rocks glass. You could use a tall one. That would I'm gonna strain this actually. Let's make sure that we don't overfill. Keep the ice out. You use a tall glass. I like the little, the regular rocks. Well, there we are. You know what? That seems to me like a pretty perfect pour. To make it official, let's make it official, folks. Chocolate covered strawberries. Chocolate garnish, red drink, hashtag Love Potion 2022. It looks like a winner. Tastes like a winner. Tastes like a Jolly Rancher. Maybe familiar, we rename this. This is Passion Igniter. No trademark infringement here. Outstanding. This is a perfect finish to any day, let alone a very, very successful Valentine's Day. And we hope that you go out and check out all of the other channels and their drinks as well. I think this one will serve you well, and you'll find plenty more that'll deliver the same punch, if not more. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for catching a buzz with your cuz. Since you forgot to hit the thumbs up, do it now. Or maybe we'll tell you in the beginning of the video.